I've got a top that is too big and needs some alterations. This will be my first time sewing a knit fabric. Come on! So for pinning garments, you're going to turn them inside out before you do that. And that's going to make your job a lot easier because remember, when you sew, you're going to have your right sides facing together. Let's get that marked. This is where I'm going to sew a seam. We're going to be taking off a lot of fabric. This strap is longer than this one. And we're a little bit off kilter here. What should be even with each other? Nothing is even. I'm taking 3.25 inches off of each shoulder. 3.25. 6.5 inches total. Well, I don't quite know if this is exciting or terrifying or both, but I'm gonna be sewing a knit for the first time. And for that, what we need is a ballpoint needle. So I've got a sample piece here. It's not the same material, but it's a knit and it stretches in that direction. So we're gonna do some practice stitches. Did I do something very wrong? We're not even really getting through the fabric. I'm gonna change the color of my bobbin thread. They say the shorter the stitch, the more it's gonna stretch. Now I'm gonna try a stitch length of 15. This seems like some progress to me. I'm gonna try changing the needle from the 80-12 to the 90-14 and see how that goes. And we are skipping less stitches. It looks much better to me than the prior needle. So let's bring our tension down to 3. Let's see what happens there. Just don't even stretch that much. Maybe I need a bigger zigzag. Let's go to the medium zigzag. Keep the tension at 3. Let's see how much stretch we get. Pretty good. So now we're gonna switch fabric and we're probably gonna have to mess around with all these settings again. I can't really see what I'm doing. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. A Cortland apple. I wanted to show off my tank top, which now fits. Ralph, tell us what your favorite part of coming to Fiskars Orchard is.
Getting the apples that I love, and hopefully the peaches too. And hanging out with my wife in our cowboy boots.
My favorite part is dressing up.
I like it, can't lie about that.
Subscribe for more disabled sewing.